right, here we go. I just got my new Pixel 7. Let's open her up. Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, so I ordered my Pixel 7. It just arrived. I haven't seen anything. I haven't opened it up yet. So we're going to open it up. I'll do an open box real quick. I'm excited to see it. I purchased it on the, as soon as the Google I/O came out last week. Pre-ordered it. All right, so let's open it up. All right. Had to be here to sign it. Rare these days. Usually they just leave it at the front door, but Google says, no, we're not leaving it at the front door. Ooh, there it is. There it is. That's the new Google Pixel. Put this away. I'm going to send back my old one in the same box. It says right there, in with the new, out with the old. All right, cool. The Google Pixel 7. This is the non-pro version. So let's get up close to it and see what we get. So this will be my day one with the Pixel 7. Okay, let's get up to the, let's go to the table over there and let's see what's inside. All right, guys, here we go with the Pixel 7 open box time. Or unbox. I'll say open box. Oh, they give you a little pull tab. All right, so we just pull it. I thought we were going to need the knife. I don't. Just pull it. There we go. All right, a little drum roll. It would be nice. I went with the black. Can't go wrong if you go with the black one. Ooh, wow. Okay. Okay. All right, that is really nice looking. It's a, I'm going to say it's not black. It's more of a dark gray in the light. You may not come across the actual, see if you see on the side, that's like the dark gray pewter, and then this is a darker gray. So I wouldn't say it's black. All right, well, we'll do that in a second. I'll put it right here. Let's see what we get. They give you a little Google. I'm going to say that this is some type of instructions, and they are, your little SIM and your warranty. Give that there. Real nice and tidy. They don't give you a charger, which is all right. A nice USB-C to USB-C cable and an adapter. Okay. That's what's in the open box. So let's go ahead and power her on. Fingerprints, power, volume up, volume down. SIM tray right there. So let's tell you where it is. Let's take her off. Oof. It's so nice to get a brand new cell phone. I gotta say, can I get it in focus? Focus, please. It's got nothing to focus on. Sorry, guys. It's tough for the phone to focus. So let's power her on the first time and see what we get. There we go. We are live with the Google Pixel 7. Was pre-order or pre-release. I got that light up there. I'm trying to get it out of that light. Let's get the box out of the way. We don't need the box anymore. All right, the box will end up over here. Powering on for the first time. The weight feels good. The width feels really nice. It's not too wide. I was worried about being too wide, but it fits in my hand very nicely. Now, I am 6'3", so my hands are probably a little bigger than most, but this feels fantastic. Welcome to your new Pixel, day one. All right, guys, this was just the open box. I wanted to show you what I just arrived at about 5:30 today. So October 13th, 5:30. New Pixel 7. I'll be back tomorrow to give you a little more information of how it's working. And we'll go day 2 tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.